Amid calm stone pathways and the gentle breeze of the monsoon stands the Kattanagiri Anjaneya Temple, a place of devotion and timeless beauty. Its ancient pillars carry stories of faith, and at the entrance, the Hanuman Chalisa written in Kannada shines in sacred script, echoing the strength and comfort of Lord Anjaneya. These 40 verses are not just poetry, they are a prayer of immense power. Devotees believe that chanting the Chalisa removes fear, destroys negativity, and fills the mind with courage and clarity. Every line praises Lord Hanuman's strength, wisdom, and devotion to Lord Rama. To read or recite these verses is to invite Hanuman's grace, whether for protection, for peace of mind, or for strength to face life struggles. Today, as we step into the heart of Shravan, called Shravanamasa in Kannada, we are witnessing the devotion and energy of its final day in Kattanagiri Anjaneya Temple. Shravan, the fifth month of the Hindu calendar, usually falls between mid-July and mid-August. It is the season of monsoon rains and is one of the most holy times for Hindus. It is believed that during the great churning of the ocean, called Samudra Manthan, Lord Shiva drank deadly poison to save the world. This month is remembered as a time of his sacrifice and compassion. All through Shravan, devotion and discipline go hand in hand. On Mondays, called Shravan Somvar, devotees fast, offer milk, bilva leaves, flowers, and chant sacred mantras to Lord Shiva. They pray for health, peace, and spiritual strength. And in Karnataka, people visit temples, observe fasts, and offer prayers. Many keep a simple diet, avoiding onion and garlic as a mark of purity during this sacred month. Other observances include Mangala Gauri Vrat for women on Tuesdays, Upakarma when Brahmins change their sacred thread, and festivals like Naga Panchami and Purnima, all weaving devotion into daily life. And here, on the last day of Shravan, the temple is filled with devotion. The air rings with soulful bhajane led by the well-known bhajan singer Sri Anantraju and team. His voice rises together, carrying prayers into the monsoon sky.
కామిని పాపము కడిగిన పాదము పాముదల నీడిన పాదము కామిని పాపము కడిగిన పాదము పాముదల నీడిన పాదము ప్రేమ పొసీసతి పిసికిడి పాదము ప్రేమ పొసీసతి పిసికిడి పాదము పవిడి తురగము పాదము ప్రేమ పొసీసతి పిసికిడి పాదము పవిడి తురగము పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మము కాని పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము పరమయోగులకు పరిపరి విధముల పరమయోగులకు పరిపరి విధముల స్వరముసగిడి నీ పాదము పరమయోగులకు పరిపరి విధముల స్వరముసగిడి నీ పాదము తిరువెంకటగిరి స్థిరమని చూపిన తిరువెంకటగిరి స్థిరమని చూపిన పరమ పదము నీ పాదము తిరువెంకటగిరి స్థిరమని చూపిన పరమ పదము నీ పాదము బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మము కాని పాదము
Each song touches the heart, binding everyone in faith. As the bhajans reach their peak, prasada is shared, simple yet sacred, received with gratitude and devotion. In this holy space, the presence of Lord Hanuman, the fearless protector, the humble servant, the true devotee of Sri Rama, fills every prayer with power. Hanuman's courage, loyalty, and faith remind us that real strength is not only in physical might but in devotion, humility, and service.
పరి పరి ಕೆಲಸ ಪರಿ ಪರಿ ಕೆಲಸ
ಮಮತೆ
ಹೀರಾಯ ಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗಿಟ್ಟನು.
May the sound of the Hanuman Chalisa, the rhythm of bhajans, and the sanctity of Shravan stay within us. Like Hanuman, may we rise with courage, live with love, and walk with unshakable faith. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman.